that's probably the attitude Indians have. I guess that's the reason why uh, majority of the Indians make it in life, you know. So I guess that's the attitude that we portray to the world. Communication, and third thing is to be flexible in terms of, you know, satisfying the customer in terms of their needs, not trying to just being really strict about this is what we are doing and this is what you have to accept or not. You know, that's what we don't do. So I guess this is what kind of attracts a lot of people towards us.
Now, you also did mention that India is moving towards more of a manufacturing economy, and um, do you see a push from the government or like incentives, things like this, which is helping companies in India to become or to make it easy for manufacturers to build their business and attract customers in India?
So I guess the kind of incentives that the government is giving are have gone down uh, from the previous, you know, let's say couple of decades. As it used to be amazing. That's what I've heard from my father. But I completely understand why probably the shift has been there. I'm sure government has its own reasons. However, still there is good amount of support in terms of, you know, pushing the product, the Indian product to the market, making the Indian manufacturing, you know, um, let's say Indian manufactured products available to the world. So at the same time, I believe what happens is that when it comes to providing a product and the government kind of supporting it, it is happening for a reason why a lot of countries around the world are losing or want to lose their dependency only on China. And that's definitely a good point to start with for India, because India is kind of growing at the same time on two levels, service level as well as manufacturing. So it's growing at both sides, and that's why we are one of the fastest economies in the world. Um, However, of course, we do have a lot of difference in terms of Chinese acceleration in terms of growth and us. And I guess we are trying to catch up, and we'll catch up quite fast.
Okay. Now, when you started out, in terms of setting up this new business, did you kind of, because your father, grandfather already had the business, like what kind of investment went into this? Like, did you have to start create a factory? Did you have to buy equipment? What was kind of the starting point for you, where for you to be able to start a manufacturing business?